Oi, gente, eu vou cantar a música Ghost Dynamite, mas não vai ser eu coloco a música e eu canto. Vai ser eu mesma cantar. Eu vou fazer um pouquinho de mico. Então, entendeu? Porque eu vou colocar a música baixo, bem baixo. I can take your hand and lead you through the water. I can make you feel you know you wanna. But I'm down, let's come. Look and try me underneath the surface. There's so much you need to know. And I feel like I'm trying, but that's what I need. So let it go. Someone else has got to lay down the wall. This time inside of my car. Someone else has got to lay down the wall. This means it's time to say things you gotta do. What do you like to? Someone else has got to lay down the wall. This time it's dynamite. Dynamite, that's dynamite, dynamite. I can't take this picture just so you can hang it. I can't wait for you to understand what you just doing it. Lie down and come looking, try to hang me underneath the surface. There's so much you need to know. And I like it like and try me, but that's what I need. So I go, someone to got to lay down the wall. This one is down my girl, someone to got to lay down the wall. It's in this time to say, someone to got to do. And you like you. Someone to got to lay down the wall. This one is dynamite. When the passion crashes down, I like it like a man. When the passion runs away, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be. The ring to all you just see Get got to lay down the wall. Just like it's dead in my chest. Someone got to lay down the wall. It's in the sun to fight. What you want to? Someone got to lay down the wall. Just like it's dynamite. Dynamite, that's dynamite. Dynamite, that's dynamite. Dynamite, that's dynamite. That's dynamite. Então, gente, espero que tenham gostado. Eu pude ter pagado um mico, mas eu tentei. Então, obrigada. Tchau.